population of presbyopic patients is increasing and creating a remarkable growth opportunity for your practice.
Practitioners who fit presbyopic patients with multifocal contact lenses know it can sometimes be a complex process. These patients want clear vision at every distance, and they want smooth transitions when shifting gaze from one distance to another. To address these challenges, Bausch & Lomb began with a new presbyopic lens design research approach by analysing the biometrics of a diverse population of patients. We assessed multiple vision-related variables. These biometric measurements went beyond the standard of evaluation of refraction and pupil size to include variables such as higher-order aberrations and residual accommodation.
So we started the research effort by entering literally thousands of data points into our proprietary virtual image resolution testing system. In a sense, what we did was establish a system to conduct many virtual clinical trials based on the unique features of a diverse population of patients.
We employed VERTs to evaluate a range of optics variables. We varied the width of the near and intermediate zones, the add power, and the change of power within a zone. Our goal was to identify a distinct lens design that would provide optimised vision in this diverse population of presbyopes. Our computer system assessed the image clarity at 9 viewing distances between 25 centimetres and 6 metres. We chose those distances based on how people live today, what they look at, and how far away they are from those objects of interest. This virtual testing phase also demonstrated that our 3-zone progressive design could meet presbyopic patients' visual needs with only 2 different add strengths, high add and low add, which can also make fitting the lens simpler.
During the final phase of this research, we validated the computer-based modeling by evaluating our novel lens designs with presbyopic patients in real-world conditions. The model that emerged from this multi-phase approach is our now proven 3-zone progressive design.
Bausch & Lomb Ultra for presbyopia combines the exceptional end-of-day comfort of Moisture Seal technology with the outstanding vision of 3-zone progressive design. Discover how Bausch & Lomb Ultra for presbyopia unites exceptional comfort with a proven multifocal design.